right now po, ipapapanood ko sa inyo ang aming wedding video way back in 2016. By the way, this is my husband. He's American and
Canadian.
we actually been together for 10 years. It's been a long time. It's not a joke, right, honey? And we are both teachers, if you're wondering. So, honey, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why me?
Why you what?
Why me? I mean, you dated a lot of girls before me. Why me?
I lost a bet.
Whatever, dude. Seriously, why me?
Well, I mean, why me? Why you now, or why did I pick you in the first place?
Yes, why did you pick me? We dated mga kulas back in 2011.
Yes.
So, why did you propose? What made you decide that she is the one? Ooh, big word. Why?
What's the big word?
The one.
Literally the smallest word you do. The
Yes,
one.
baby, why? Why me?
I love you.
That's it? No explanation?
What other reason do I need?
Okay. And then I love you too.
Okay.
My husband also, he has his own DIY channel, Chimera Craft. You can check that out. It's all DIY projects. So being married to me, is it difficult? Where?
Yeah.
Because
Marriage
for me,
is difficult, period.
that's true. And even for me, it is difficult growing in a very different cultures and very opposite beliefs, right?
Especially considering you're a different culture, I'm a different culture, we live in a different culture. So it's really three cultures
Yes.
in one. Because we live in Thailand, you're from the Philippines, and I'm from Canada.
No, he's American, mga kacoolest. Babe,
What?
so far, we made it. I mean, 10 years, right?
So far,
Yeah, so what's the secret?
you haven't killed me yet.
What's the secret, do you think?
I think it's probably lots of alcohol.
Babe!
I don't know. I don't know. It's compromise. I don't know.
That's true, compromise. We meet halfway, though our relationship...
Well, you meet halfway. I go my own way. You have to.
Shut up, you
okay,
do also.
All right.
Even though we argue sometimes, our relationship is not perfect. So as you know, a lot of people, I guess, it's normal, but we always work it out. Work, babe! So what? You love me so much. I think you love me more than I do.
Then you do what? Then you love me?
Yes.
I guarantee that.
Yeah, I think you love me more, yeah?
Probably.
That's true, that's true. So, yes, babe!
Okay. What?
Oh, babe,
What?
no, there's no substance in your
There's all
words.
kinds of substance. I'm so full of substance. Oh, I'm so full of substance.
Yeah, I guess that's the secret of a long-lasting and happy relationship.
Laugh, have fun,
Yes, have fun.
enjoy yourself.
Enjoy and...
Drink a lot.
He
I
doesn't
drink.
drink, actually.
I don't drink. Not very often.
No.
Sometimes, but not very often.
Occasional.
Yeah, very occasional.
And yeah, I think the reason why we last this long is because we always try to work it out. And we compromise. Sometimes you give way, sometimes I give way. Correct?
Sure,
Why?
that happens a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever you say. Me. For the love of God, help me.
So,
No, yeah, compromise, and
trust.
Yeah, and trust. That for me is the key. Trust. 'Cause if I don't trust you, you gotta
Yeah.
go.
That's true.
Yeah.
And you know mga kules, actually we are very opposite in a lot of things. The only,
True.
yeah, food, very opposite. He's more into
Good food.
Western, like all Western
Good
food
food.
most of the time. And I'm into Asian food. So,
We seldom ever eat the same meal.
exactly. And what else? Beliefs, very, not really opposite.
Yes. Well, I mean, you don't really have any.
I know, baby, because I'm very, I can adapt easily. Because I'm a very open-minded. As a
Yeah.
Filipina, I think I am an open-minded Filipino. Most of the time, the reason why we fight is just over petty things, and also because we both have strong personalities.
Yeah, I think most of it's because you're wrong and you won't admit it.
Oh,
when
here
I'm
we go,
right.
Joshua.
See?
That's not true. So, that's it mga kacoolest. I hope you subscribe and please hit the bell button para updated kayo. And eto na nga, eto na yung aming video way back in 2016 sa isa sa pinakamagandang isla dito sa Thailand, Chang.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing
heard them say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Eternal. hardcore. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Okay, one more. Good.
We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
Alright, ready? Going forever. 1, 2, 3. Alright, ready? Okay. 1, 2,